Nigerian prisons, now renamed correctional facilities, continue to harbor inmates, most of whom are awaiting trial. Soon after President Muhammadu Buhari signed into law the Nigeria Correctional Services Act on August 14, 2020, hopes of decongesting custodial centers became high. But the situation appears unchanged as correctional centers are weighed down by the criminal justice system in the country. Statistics from the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation show that there are 74,127 inmates in custody in the nation's custodial centers. Out of that number, 52,226 are pre-trial inmates, 21,901 are convicts, and those already condemned. Despite the introduction of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act in 2015, the wheels of justice seem to be grinding slowly.
In most cases, where the investigations are not thorough, the presentation of the cases in court often give rise to a lot of challenges, such that the prosecution will be asking for all manners of adjournment.
There are institutional factors, there are human factors, there are factors that relate to training of manpower, availability of manpower and training of manpower. There's also that of resources, financial as well as material resources.
The Act provides for the administration of criminal justice system which promotes efficient management of criminal justice institutions, speedy dispensation of justice, protection of the society from crimes and protection of rights and interests of the suspect, the defendant, and victims in Nigeria. But the slow pace of justice dispensation in the country, which is attributed to long and sometimes avoidable adjournment of cases, has led to non-dispensation of most cases and abandonment of inmates in prisons. But all hope is not lost for the suspects.
Until you have special criminal courts or divisions, criminal divisions, so that we know that this court is for criminal matters. Not necessarily a new court for crime, but you have federal high court, you have FCT high court, you have state high court. Let there be criminal divisions, civil divisions, probate divisions, and what have you.
The judges are not enough. In a place like Abuja, how many judges we have? How many courts we have? Because you're talking about a population of over 10 million. It's a highly active population. So that way, the judges will hear fewer cases. They can pay better attention to the cases. The quality of arguments before those courts would be robust. And you probably can get justice, better justice.
With these identified lapses in the system, lawyers are of the opinion that the correctional centers which are meant to be reformatory are gradually becoming punitive, thereby defeating the essence of sending convicts to prisons.